It's your boy Roadrunner. We about to change a turn signal light in a Freightliner 2016. As you can see, this is the new one. And here it go. The one that blew out. I'm gonna replace that. Let's see. About to get that. Yeah, get that. Look how easy that is. See that? Now watch this. Yeah. Look at that baby right there. Now we about to replace it. Like, see? Look, it's so easy to put in, you know? Hold on. Make sure y'all can see this. There we go. Right there. Now we about to turn the truck on. See if this works. Voila. It works.